Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing 3 things. First we got a Minecraft Hangers Series 6. Second, we're going to be unboxing a Squishums Squishies Bestie. Last thing is going to be a Pokemon Sword and Shield Rebel Clash pack. Okay, I'm going to start with the Minecraft. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty well packaging. You could get like a guy with a costume, a creeper, a drowned, a panda, I can't tell what that is, a sheep it looks like, yeah, a yellow sheep, and a llama. Let's get right into it. I'm hoping for I like the panda of the sheep. I really want the sheep. Okay. We got the package. We got the package, boys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We have got a creeper. Oh man. Oh jeez. Big oopsie. Okay, so guys, look, the creeper, its legs just jiggle, and there's a reason that it's called whatever it was called again. And yeah, I got a little clip you could push back, and it can go in. A little clip, it can go in and out. Okay, and its little legs move. Okay. I like this. I was gonna say the creeper, but I really like the sheep. Okay, so next we're gonna be unboxing Squishums and here it is. We're gonna be opening the Squishum Besties. Okay. Beef. It's usually a little divot one of these. There it is. Throw that garbage away, of course. No one litter. Okay. Let's see what we got. I'm hoping for like a dog or something. Whoa! Okay. That just went. Where did that go? Where is it, guys? It exploded under the table. It's a mystery. Where did it go? It's a mystery. We don't even know what the package looks like either. Oh, okay, I found it. Okay. I got it, guys. Okay, it looks like we got a little elephant and what is that? It looks like a little goose and an elephant. Let me unwrap these real quick. Looks like it comes with 2. Okay. I've gotten these before on a small claw machine at an arcade. And like, I don't know where it is. And here is the little goose. It's really squishy. I really like it. Here's the little elephant with its little nose. And here is all the characters you could get. Yeah, you couldn't even go on a dog. Wait, you might. Okay. Here was all them. We got Preston the parrot, which is this guy. And we also got, elephant. Ollie the elephant. Okay. So those are 2 good, I was going to say good finds, but I don't know if it was good or bad. And yeah, 2 good finds. We'll do a review at the end. Our last thing, sadly but surely, our last thing. We have got Sword and Shield Rebel Clash Pack. We're hoping for a good card. We're hoping for a gold Mega Charizard. I don't really care. I just want EX. Okay. I'm an epic gamer. I'm gonna get a good card. I have a feeling. Let's go. I forgot his name, but we are opening him. Okay. Hands all. There was a weird material on the squishies that made my hands really slippery. All of a sudden. Or not the other side. The other side. There, I got the other side open. Okay. We're gonna do card pick and guess the energy, guys. That's good luck right there. It's good luck. Green and white. We're either probably getting a holo or an EX. Probably gonna get a holo, not gonna lie. But I'm feeling really hyped about this, guys. Okay. Card trick. Try not to show any of us. Oh, I can't do it backwards. Oh, jeez. One, 2, 3, 4. Here we go, guys. Let's finish this video strong. Okay. We got Metal Energy. Lampent. Halucha. Morgan. By the way, guys, I'm getting a little camera stand, so we don't have to look from that high. Rockcoily. A Metamite. A Grublin. Electrobuzz. And something good. Okay, we have not gone to the last card yet. Natu. And I know we still have a couple more cards. Okay. Natu. Ooh, reverse holographic Camarant. We have got the V Milotic. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Wow. Hino Splash 150. That makes it asleep. Aqua Impact. Wow. 210 damage. I mean, health. Look at that, guys. It's a beauty. You love to see it. Okay. Okay, so it's a beauty, guys. What a find. What a good way to end it, boys. Boys and girls, because some girls watching it probably. Okay. Time to review. Okay. First, our first thing of the day, we got a Minecraft Creeper. Oh man. Looks pretty cool. I like it. Its head turns too. It's a little creepy. Okay. Second find of the day, we got 2 little squishies. I'm gonna have to crack it. There we go. That worked. Might have just broken it. Okay. We have got the parrots and the elephants. My favorite poll that we got today is, we got all of these cards, but we got the V, Milotic. Boom. No, I said that. Yeah, no. Milotic. Boom. We got a bunch of normal. Got a result on it. Okay. That's going to wrap it up for the video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit like hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and like this video. Hit that bell notification button so you know whenever I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.